Hi beautiful, welcome back to my channel. My name is Jasmine. So today I have another episode of Cheap Monday for you guys. I'm going to be doing this look that you see here. This eye is super watery and my lash is just not sticking. I'm not even going to mess with it because if I do, I'm just going to start crying and my makeup's going to get ruined. So we're just going to ignore this little situation right here. If you want to see how to get this look, just keep on watching. I'm going to start out with foundation. I'm going to be using the Covergirl True Blend in D15. So I recently realized that this is actually my shade. I've been wearing the wrong shade in this foundation for months now. So for concealer, I'm going to use the Flower Beauty Concealer in the shade Deep. If you want full cover, this is definitely it. So I'll apply this. Use the Colourpop No Filter Concealer to just contour. So now I'm going to set my under eye with the Makeup Revolution powder. So I'm going to use this concealer from Wet n Wild to carve out my brows. So I'm going to take the MakeupShayla Colourpop Palette. I'm going to start out with the color Thick. Yes. And we're going to blend that right into our crease area with this big brush. This is the Morphe E22. And we're just going to put some of Thick right in there, you know. Thick thighs save lives. Gonna put that right in here and blend it out. This orange is definitely one of my favorite oranges to put in my crease. It is just perfect, you know. So I'm gonna take some of Played Out because your games are played out. And we're just going to put that right over and blend that in. Then I'm going to take some of this Wet n Wild concealer in the shade Medium Deep. Okay, so I'm going to create a cut crease with this color. The only thing we're cutting out here is creases, okay? And I'm just going to apply it right here. So I'm going to take Unbothered. We're not bothered at all. Blend it sideways. So I'm just going to add this in and just blend it out. I'm going to take some more Thick and apply that down here. I'm going to take some of Played Out. So for lashes, I'm going to use these I got at the beauty supply store. They're in the style 232. So I threw on my lashes. I'm going to go ahead and contour my face with the powder, with this powder contour kit from Black Radiance. So I'm going to take this brush. This is from Peach and Pearl and Andrea Renee, which is one of my friends here on YouTube. So she has a brush collection. So definitely go check that out. I will link her channel below and I will link the website below as well. I'm going to contour. For blush, I'm going to use this Colourpop Never Been Kissed Super Shock blush. Try this on my cheeks. So I'm going to take these highlight from Maybelline. This is the Master Chrome in Molten Topaz. didn't plan out my lip color yet, so I'm gonna go ahead and select. Ooh! I got this amazing package from Covergirl with all these lipsticks. I'm gonna go ahead and select the color from here. So I have 2 shades here. I'm not sure which one I want to use. So I have these 2 colors. One is more pink. This is called Just Saying. And this one is more like a purple pink. This is called Spellbound. These 2 shades. I don't know which one to go with. I'm gonna go with Spellbound, I think. This is pretty. Oh my god. It feels so good. So this is a lip color. I really like this lip color. So that is it for the entire look. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I'll see you guys in my next one.